Hi everyone. Today we will continue with our lesson to simplify algebraic expression and basic arithmetic operation. So this is part 2 of the lesson. Today we start with question number 1 to simplify. Okay. So this is question number 1. X square minus x divided with x y. Okay, so question number 1 and number 2 is easy, so I just do it like this only. Okay, first of all, x square and x, this one x square and x got a common factor where we can divide with x. We can factorize x outside of the bracket. So on the first term it become x. So x times x equal to x squared. And here, when we factorize x outside, this one should be 1. Should be 1. Okay. This one only to checking. This one only to checking. Okay. Let us multiply this one. We expand. What become? Only to checking. So it will be x squared minus x. Same with this one. Okay. Can see, this one only to checking. Let's continue. At the denominator, we write again xy. So this one equal to x and x here, we can cancel. This one, x in the bracket, this one you cannot cancel, cannot. We cannot cancel x, that one in the bracket, cannot. Because this x here exists with the negative one, with the minus one. So if you want to eliminate in the bracket, you need to eliminate the whole in the bracket. Semua dalam bracket you can eliminate if you want. But in this case, it's not possible. We only can eliminate this x and this x. Actually, we divide. We divide x equal to 1 actually. Actually, we are dividing x with x. So the answer here should be x minus 1 over y. Okay, now we go to question number 2. 6a plus 15 divide with 12. Okay, so 6 and 15, the common factor here is 3. We can divide 6 and 15 with number 3. Okay, so here should be 2a. So 3 times 2a equal to 6a plus 15. 15 divide 3 equal to 5. Okay. So the one on the numerator part, on the upper part, we factorize 3 outside of the bracket, become 3 in bracket, 2a plus 5. Okay. Down here, the denominator become 12. So here we can eliminate 3 and 12, where 3 divide 3 is 1, 12 divide 3 is 4. So the answer will be 2a plus 5 divide 4. This is the answer. Okay, so far is very easy. Senang lah so far. Okay, we go to question number 3. Right? Wait. Okay, question number 3. This one, m plus n divide m square plus n square. This one. Okay, so this is equal to, okay, first of all, this one m plus n, we cannot do anything because we cannot factorize m or n, that one, we cannot do anything. But this one got, this is a quadratic equation, and we have learned about quadratic expression last week. And this one we can factorize. M square plus n square, we can factorize that one. Okay. How if you still remember? If you still remember, let me use this color. Okay. If you still remember, wait. Or wait, this is wrong actually. Sorry, not plus, but minus. Sorry, forgive me. Okay. So if you still remember, a square minus b square, this one can put two bracket, become a plus b, a minus b. If you still remember that one. Okay. So same case with this one. For m square minus n square, this one we can factorize become m plus n, m minus n. And this is from the previous week exercise, last week. Okay. So now the answer m plus n, same, we cannot do anything. On the lower part, denominator, this one, m square minus n square, we can factorize become m plus n, m minus n. Now, if you notice, we can cancel m plus n, m plus n. But what is the answer? What is the answer? If you write the answer is m minus n, this is wrong. This is wrong, not m minus n. Or if you write like this, this is also wrong, because what is this? This is also wrong. The answer here, still remember, this is when we cancel, actually we are dividing. M plus n divide with m plus n. This is 1 and this is 1 actually. Therefore, here should be 1. The answer is 1 over m minus n. This is the correct answer. Okay, this is the correct answer. Okay, next, we go to question number 4. Number 4. Okay, this one. 2k minus 1. Oh. Minus 1. Okay. Divide 4k square minus 1. Okay. So, on the upper part, 2k minus 1, there is a linear expression. Linear, because, why linear? Because this k, no power of 2 or power of 3, nothing. Actually, there is a power of 1, power of 1. This one we call as linear, linear. Okay. So, linear expression or linear equation, no need to do anything. We just write back 2k minus 1. Just write like that. Okay. However, 4k square minus 1, this one we can factorize. Why? Because 4k square is a perfect square. 1 also a perfect square. 1 is 1 times 1. 1 times 1 equal to 1. Okay. And in the middle, we got minus. So, 4k square minus 1, we can factor into 2 brackets like this. In the middle, plus and minus. Okay. So 1 is 1 times 1. 1 times 1 is 1. 4k square. 4 is 2 times 2. K square is k times k. So in short, 4k square minus 1, we can factorize become 2k plus 1, 2k minus 1. Like that. And we can factorize like this. Okay. Now, we can eliminate 2k minus 1 and 2k minus 1. The answer will be here, of course, 2k plus 1. No need to write the bracket. But on top of the numerator, you write 1. You write 1. When you eliminate, it becomes 1 actually. You divide. Okay. So this is answer for question number 4. Next, we go to question number 5. Question number 5. A over, sorry, not A. 2 over A minus 3 times 3 over 3 plus A. Yeah. Okay. Like this one, the common mistake, and this is common mistake students do in exam. Common mistake, I always see like this. Someone cancel like this. This is wrong. We cannot cancel like that because this one, because 3 plus A is together. 3 plus A in the denominator is together. You cannot eliminate only one part only. If you want to eliminate, you need to eliminate 3 and A also together. Cannot eliminate only 3. So this is common mistake in exam. Don't do like that. Okay. For question number 5, what you need to do, you just multiply. So 2 times 3 is 6. And on the lower part here, you just write A minus 3, 3 plus A. Okay. So in the textbook, answer at the back, the answer enough. Like this, enough already. But sometimes in exam, you can expand the denominator. So if you expand, A times 3 is 3A. A times A is A square. Minus 3 times 3 is 9. And then minus 3 times A is 3A. And then we simplify, become A square. 3A minus 3A is 0. So A square minus 9 become like that. Become like that. So become 6 over A square minus 9. Okay. If you ask me which one is better, for me, this is better. If you ask me, this is better. However, textbook answer until here. Okay. So if you ask me which one you need to write, doesn't matter. You can write either the first answer or you can write the second answer. Both answer for me, I'll give you full mark. I'll give you full mark. But in reality, for me, if you ask my opinion, the second answer is better in real life. Okay. However, for today's lesson, I will stop until answer like question number 1. This one, like question, like answer number 1. I want to do this part. Okay. Next, number 6. Okay, number 6. Let me check chatting first. Okay, so far okay. Okay, question 6. This one, H over K minus 2 times Y over H plus 3. Okay. So like this, all here is a linear. I mean H is linear, K minus 2 is linear, Y is linear, H plus 3 also linear. Okay, therefore we no need to factorize anything. What we do, we just multiply. H times Y is HY over K minus 2 in bracket, H plus 3 in bracket. So for today's lesson, enough until here only. No need to expand everything. Just stop at that for today's lesson. Okay. However, when you go to form 4, form 5, I think better you expand the denominator. K minus 2, H plus 3. Okay, now we go to question number 7. 7, let me check. Okay, I think I just write down here. 7, Which one? Okay, 2r over s minus 2 times s minus 4 over r plus 5. Okay, can we cancel or we eliminate anything? I think no, we cannot eliminate anything. So what we can do, we just multiply, become like this, 2r s minus 4 s minus 2 r plus 5. For today's lesson, enough until here. That's enough already. Okay. So next, number 8. Number 8. Okay, this one. M over x plus 2 times 2x plus 2 over m square x minus a. Okay, in this problem, we have 3 variables. We have 3. We have m, we have x, and we have also a. Yeah, we have 3 variables. Usually we have 2 only. Okay, no problem. What we can do? Okay, so actually, if you notice, this m and this m square, we can eliminate here. I mean, if I write here, m times 1 over m square. This is actually equal m times 1 over m. M square is m times m. So we can eliminate 1m. It become 1 over m. It become like that. Okay. However, I just eliminate the square only, the power of 2. Okay. What else can we eliminate? Yeah, this one we can eliminate. X plus 2 and x plus 2. We can eliminate and become 1. Yeah. And this one also, of course, become 1. Okay. So I think that's all that we can eliminate. The answer, it will be 2 over m x minus a. That is the answer. Very easy. It seems difficult at first, but actually it's very easy. We just eliminate anything that is same, common. Okay. Next, we go to question number 9. Number 9. 2r square over rs minus s square multiply with 5r minus 5s 2r minus 4r square. Okay, wait. Someone is chatting now. Wow, look hard, but teacher made it look easier. Okay, saying what the teacher want to hear to get extra points. Smart. Okay. Let's continue. Lim Jianyuan, so far you think difficult or not? Jianyuan, what do you think? No response, Jianyuan. So far okay or not? Okay. Let me continue. Okay, so now what we need to do? We have 2r square. Okay, first of all, this part we can factorize 2 and we can factorize r. Okay, upper part here we can factorize number 5 And here we can factorize s, right? Okay, 2r square, we cannot do anything now, eh? Okay, so 2r square, we just write 2r square. If you want to write 2rr, also acceptable, also acceptable. Best thing, maybe you can put a dot, dot, dot in mathematics actually equal to multiplication, dots in mathematics actually equal to multiplication, okay. Okay, so 2rr, but if you don't want to write the dot also, okay, no problem. Wait. Okay, I didn't write the dot, Okay, so 2r square, I write 2rr. Down here, s we can factor. So here become r minus s. Correct or not? S times r, rs. S times s, s square. Okay, we multiply. Okay, multiply. 5r, 5s. 5 are common. So 5 we can factor, become r minus s. Divide 2r minus 4r square. 2 and r we can factor. 2r we can factor. So here actually is 1 minus 2r. Okay. For those who still doesn't understand this here, maybe some of you don't understand. Let me expand. Let me expand. 2r, 1 minus 2r. If we expand 2r times 1, 2r. 2r times 2r is 4r square. And this is same with this one. Okay, I hope you understand. How I got 2r in bracket 1 minus 2r. Okay, so let me erase everything here. Okay, now we can eliminate these 2 and 2 here. We can eliminate r and r here. What else? Here, r minus s, r minus s. Also, we can eliminate. And I think that's all that we can eliminate. So we write the answer here. I think better if you write the number first. Number 5 and then the variable r. R times 5 is 5r. Okay. On the lower part, we have s in bracket, we have 1 minus 2r. So this is the final answer. Okay, this is the final answer. Maybe you can see first. I'll give you 2 seconds. I hope you understand. So far, okay? You all can follow? Okay, Chiu Yu Heng. Okay, thank you. So, we go to question, a tiny bit confused. Okay, it's okay. We learn. So now we go to question 10. Oh. Okay. Question 10. Question 10, which one, Okay, this one. E plus 2f 5e minus 2f times 4f square minus 10 ef over 3e square minus 9 ef. Well, I think this is quite long. Maybe not enough space. Okay, I write down here. I think not enough space if I do on the right. Okay, so e plus 2f, that one is linear. So we just write back Why linear? Because no power of 2 or no power of 3. So it is linear. Okay. 5e to f also linear. So we just write back. Okay, we cannot factor anything. So we just write back 5e plus 2f times, okay, here 4 and 10. 4 and 10 we can factor 2. F square EF. Common is F. We can factor F. Okay, so now 2. 4 divided 2 is 2. And then F square. F square divided F is F. So 2F times 2F equal to 4F square minus 10. So 2 times what equal to 10? 2 times 5. Okay. And then we have EF, but here we have F. This one. This is EF, but here we have F ready. So we should write E here. Okay. So 2F times 5E equal to 10 EF. Divide with 3 and 9. We can factor 3. What else? E square and E. We can factor E. So in bracket here should be E only. 3E times E equal to 3E square minus 3 times what equal to 9? 3 times 3. Okay. And then E we already got. So here should be F. Check again. 3E times 3F. Is it same with 9EX? 3 times 3, 9. E times F, EF. Okay. Now, I continue here. Can we eliminate anything? Eliminate, can or not? 5E. Oh, yeah. I think we cannot eliminate anything. E plus 2F cannot. E minus 3F. F. Okay. In this question, we cannot eliminate anything. Cannot. So, the answer is quite long. The answer should be like this. I write smaller. The answer, maybe I write 2F first. 2F in bracket E plus 2F and then 2F minus 5E. We just write everything. Kita tulis semua because we cannot eliminate anything. Cannot. Down here is 5E plus 2F. Oh, wait. I think better we write 3E first. 3E, 5E plus 2F, 3E. Oh, sorry. Not 3E, but E minus 3F. For this question, we cannot eliminate anything. Let me check my question again. Is it my question wrong? No, my question is correct. Okay, so okay. However, this is the answer for this question. However, I don't think question like this ever come out in an exam. I don't think this question ever come out in an exam. Okay, usually in exam, we can simplify, become very simple expression. But this one is not very simple. Okay, we proceed. We still have how many? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We still have 6 more question. Ada 6 lagi soalan. Yeah. Okay. Sorry. Thank you. This one, this one. This one should be minus. What happened? This one should be minus. Therefore, this is wrong. Minus. Okay, thank you for correcting me. Minus. My mistake. My bad. Okay. Oh, if minus, then if minus, I think we can eliminate. Minus we can eliminate. Okay, so I erase everything here. If minus, but this question is difficult. Yeah, I admit that this question is difficult. Okay, if minus, then we can eliminate. Let me erase one first. A little bit. Okay, the eraser is too small. Okay, so like this. How we want to eliminate this one? I use purple. Okay, this is 5e. Okay, this is 5e minus 2f. This is 2f minus 5e. Just backward. Terbalik saja. Okay. So what we do, I write here. This one, we continue here. E plus 2f over 5e minus 2f. Okay. This one times, if you want to change the positive and negative, I mean, no, I think not enough space. Wait. Okay. Wait. Not enough space for me to write. Let me capture first. Okay. Let me write again. This one, everything. Wait. Okay, let me write again. We continue from previous. E plus 2f 5e minus 2f 2f minus 5e 3e e minus 3f. Okay, we continue from our lesson just now. Okay, so the key here is this one and this one. We want to change so that both of them are equal, same. So how we want to change? Put here. Okay, this one we write back, no problem. Okay, here. How you want to change? We don't want to write 2f minus 5e, but we want to write 5e minus 2f backward. We want to change. So what we do, we put negative on 2f. So here, we change the sign. So this one, we change to this one. Why? Because we put negative in front. Okay, continue. Chu Yu Heng, yeah, you are correct. Thank you, very good. So this one, we write 3e minus 3f. Okay, now we can eliminate this one, 5e minus 2f, 5e minus 2f. We can eliminate that one. Anything else we can eliminate? I think no, that's all. Okay, so the answer is 2f e plus 2f divide with 3e minus 3f, and this is the answer. Okay, and this is the answer. 2f plus e 3e. Oh yeah, my negative, man. Yeah, you're correct. My negative. Okay. If we just leave the answer like this in exam, can or not? Yes, can. Even though we got negative in front, no problem actually. We also can write in other method, but this one is enough already. Okay. So this is answer question. Yeah.
Why the
Again.
in front want to write the minus?
Why my voice apa? Suara cikgu wait. Let me check. Oh, okay. What happened? Wait. Okay, now you can clear my voice. Clear? Can?
Why the two S in front want to write the minus?
Okay, because like this. And maybe I write here. Maybe I write here. Okay. This is 2F. Maybe I use different example. I use different example. Okay, example I have here 2, and then I have here x minus y. Okay, example like this. This one is actually equal to, if you put negative 2 in front, you put negative in front of 2, what happened in the bracket? This one will change, y minus x. It will change, become like that. If we expand, we expand this one, what happened? If we expand, become a negative y plus x. Negative 2y plus 2x, and this is same with original. Okay, I put negative in front of 2 because I want to change this one become like this, so that we can cancel with this one. So far okay. That's why I put negative in front. I want to change the positive and negative only. So far okay.
Okay.
Now we go to question 11. We still have 6 questions. Pause. Okay, question 11. Now we go to divide. 5a 2a plus 3 divide 3b a plus b. Okay, 5a divide 2a plus 3. 5a over 2a plus 3 divide with 3b over a plus b. Okay, so for this one, right here, we write back 5a over 2a plus 3. Okay, divide, you change to multiplication. This one. Divide, change to multiplication. Okay. So now, a plus b over 3b. Again, divide, you change to multiplication. When you change this fraction, you need to change upside down. You need to change upside down. Okay. We continue. Okay. Now can we eliminate anything? A3. I think we cannot eliminate anything. Zafra Hakim, raise your hand. Why Zafra Hakim? Do you want to ask anything? Okay. Lim Juan Yuan, 11400, so many times already. Okay. So this one, we cannot eliminate anything. Nothing common here. Remember, A and A here, you cannot eliminate. Cannot. Okay. Same goes here. B and B here, you cannot eliminate. Cannot. Okay. So the answer should be like this. 5A, A plus B. Down here, we write 3B first. 3B. 2A plus 3. This is the answer. Okay, for question 11. Question 12. Okay, question 12. 6y square x square plus xy divide 18xy divide with x plus y. Okay. So what we do here equal 6y square, we just write again 6y square. Okay. X square plus xy. That one we can factor. We can factor x. So we write x in bracket x plus y. This one. This one we can factor become like this. We can factor. Okay. And then divide. Change to multiplication. And then the fraction we need to change upside down. Become x plus y over 18xy. And we change the fraction upside down. Okay. Now we try to eliminate 6. We can eliminate with 18. 6 divided 6 is 1. 18 divided 6 is 3. And then y square and y, we also can eliminate. Okay. So y square become a single y only. What else? Yeah, x plus y. X plus y, we can eliminate with x plus y. So this one become 1. Okay. Now we can write the answer. On the upper part, y times 1. So it should be y on the upper part. Here, you see, this one y. Still got y. Okay. Over x times 3x. I think x. Let me circle this one. We have x, we have 3, and we have another x. Okay. So it should be 3x squared. Okay. On the upper part, we have y only. On the lower part, we have x, 3x, so 3x squared. 3x squared. Okay, this is the answer for question 12. We still have 4 more question. Ada 4 soalan lagi. Okay, question 13. Okay, this one. F minus 1 EG plus 2E divide FG minus G plus 2. Okay. So, F minus 1, we just write back F minus 1. Oh, not good. F minus 1. Okay. EG plus 2E. We can factor E, become G plus 2. Divide, we change to multiplication. Fraction, we change upside down, bagi terbalik. Okay. FG minus G. Okay. I think I want to wait. I want to off chat for this group because I don't understand whatever they typing over there. Okay, continue. Okay, if you notice here, we still can factor G here. We still can factor that one. Okay, so I factor F minus 1. Yeah, maybe before we factor that one, I think maybe we can eliminate first G plus 2 with G plus 2 here. We can eliminate. Okay, so this one we just write F minus 1 over E. Because G plus 2 we eliminate already. times this is 1 over fg minus g. We can factor g outside. So here become f minus 1. 1, don't forget 1. When you factor g outside, you leave here 1. Okay. So f minus 1, you can eliminate with this f minus 1. And this is become 1. Answer, final answer. So 1 times 1 is 1 over E times G. EG. The answer is 1 over EG. That's the answer for question 13. Okay, now 508. Okay, we still have time. 14, now 14. 14. Okay. 4p square minus 1. P square minus 1 times P Q plus Q over 4p minus 2. Okay. So 4p square minus 1, if you still remember factorization, we can factor that one. We can factor become 2 bracket like this. We can factor 2 bracket like this. This is plus and this is minus. Okay. 4p square. 4 is 2 times 2. P square P 1 is 1 times 1. Okay. Divide with P square minus 1. Again, this one also we can factor. Oh, okay. Okay. This one also we can factor. Become P plus 1. P minus 1. Become like this. Okay. So times with PQ plus Q. Q we can factor outside. Become P plus 1 over 4P minus 2. 2 we can factor. Become 2P minus 1. Like this. Okay. So now, if you can factor everything, if you already expert in factorization, this is easy for you. If you can factor, this is easy. Because the difficult part is this one. This is the difficult part. If you can do this one, so no problem for you. Okay. So now, after we factor everything, we eliminate whatever common here. If we can see here, P plus 1 and P plus 1 are common. Same here, 2P minus 1 and 2P minus 1. And we can eliminate. What else? I think no more. So we can write the answer. On the upper part, we write Q first. 2P plus 1 divide with 2P minus 1. Okay. Remember, the difficult part. And the difficult part is this one only. This is the difficult part. If you can do that one, so answer should be no problem. So, we go to question 15. Another 2 question. Question 15. 15, this one. PQ minus PR. Okay. Over R square minus 1 divide Q square minus R square plus R. Okay. So PQ minus PR, we can factor P. Q minus R. Okay, R square minus 1. If you practice more on factorization, you should know that r square minus 1, we can do right like this. Right? We can factor r square minus 1 become r plus 1, r minus 1. Remember, r square is perfect square, 1 also perfect square. Okay, next, divide, change to multiplication. Fraction, upside down, change r square plus r, q square minus r square. Okay, so I write back this one. This one we just write again. Okay, on the second part, we factor r square plus r, we can factor r. So here should be r plus 1. So if you expand r times r square, r times 1, r. Okay, down here, q square minus r square. Again, you can do 2 bracket. So this is q plus r, this is q minus r. Okay, now we eliminate q minus r, eliminate. R plus 1, r plus 1, eliminate. Anything else? I think no more. Okay, the answer PR over r minus 1 q plus r. Okay, so this is the answer for question 15. Now 514 already. Okay, I think maybe we stop here because now it's 514 already. Our class until 5:30, right? Because I want you to do the exercise. Okay, our class stop now. I will stop the recording. After this, you will do the exercise. Let me stop recording first.